Check this guide to learn how to fix an Android device stuck on the boot screen problem. Method 1. Reboot your phone. Rebooting the Android phone requires you to hold while pressing the power button until a menu appears. Then choose the restart option. Then, your Android phone will restart itself automatically. Method 2. Charge the Android device. Connect your charger to the device and plug it into a working wall outlet or USB port. Keep the phone connected until it has charged enough that you can access it again. Method 3. Enter safe mode. Step 1. Press the power button on your Android device for about 30 minutes until the device powers off completely. Step 2. After a while, please press the power button on your Android device until the logo appears. Step 3. Press the volume down button after the logo appears. Step 4. Your device will now boot into safe mode. You will see safe mode in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then, you can uninstall apps that may have been causing issues and perform a factory reset if necessary. Method 4. Delete cache data. Step 1. Press the power button to power off the phone and wait for the device to turn off completely. Step 2. Press the volume down and power buttons simultaneously until your Android device turns on. Step 3. Once you are in recovery mode, navigate to the Wipe Cache Partition option using the volume buttons. Reboot your phone once you have cleared the data and see if the problem is fixed. Method 5. Factory reset your device. Before factory resetting your device, it is important to back up all of your data and files that you want to keep. Once factory resetting is complete, your phone will no longer contain any data it had before the factory reset. Step 1. Power off the Android phone and enter the recovery mode by pressing the volume down and power buttons simultaneously. Step 2. On the recovery screen, scroll through the menu using the volume buttons. Select the Wipe Data or Factory Reset button by using the power button to begin the process. Step 3. Wait for some time for the process to complete. Your device will restart after completing the process, and it will look as new as you bought it. Method 6. Use Android Repair. Android Repair is perfect for anyone who needs to fix their Android phone stuck at the boot screen. Step 1. Connect the Android phone to the computer after you have downloaded, installed, and launched the Android Repair Toolkit on your computer. Click the System Repair button that you will find in the main window. Choose the Android Repair option among the 3 options that appear, and tap the Start icon. Step 2. On the screen that appears, select the correct model, name, brand, carrier details, and country or region, and confirm the details by clicking on the Next button. Your device's data might be erased. To proceed, type in 0000. Step 3. Follow the guide on the interface to boot your Android device into download mode before repairing it. Click on the button name Next to begin downloading the firmware. The program will automatically start repairing your Android device once the firmware has been downloaded. Method 7. Contact professional support. If you've tried all the common methods and your Android phone is still stuck on the boot screen, it might be time to seek professional help. Professional repair services can help resolve deeper issues that are beyond simple software troubleshooting or factory resets. There could be underlying hardware problems such as a malfunctioning motherboard or damaged storage that require expert attention.